Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for Insurance. The truth is, click fraud affects almost every industry, with 90% of all campaigns on Google Ads being impacted in some capacity. Have you ever clicked your mouse right here, with an arrow pointing to a separate piece of text saying, "You will. Your business ads is at stake." Targeted and sponsored ads. With banner ads becoming commonplace, advertisers started to wonder if there were ways to target specific demographics. Up to this point, advertisers had simply hired space on whichever web page they wanted, and their ad would be displayed for a set amount of time. How does click fraud work? If clicking on someone's ad repetitively sounds like a lot of hard work, you'd be right. A competitor clicking on your ad 5 or 10 times a day might be a drop in the ocean for your advertising spend, but there are more damaging ad clicking methods. Know the difference. Watch a screen recording of your visitor's behavior on your landing page. See how their mouse moved, scrolled, and clicked. This behavior is part of the detection algorithm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.